Now don't move the rudder pedals. That's it, try not to move the rudder pedals. That's okay, whoa.
Welcome to part 2 of my training to get my tailwheel endorsement. This video includes some unexpected surprises for me and my son. Jason Walnick, my instructor, has been named one of AOPA's 2018 CFIs of the Year. This is Jason's second time receiving this honor, and I'm incredibly lucky to be one of his students, and most importantly, a friend. This video will allow you as the viewer to experience the intimate role as a student, task saturation as a pilot, while having fun learning a new skill from an amazing instructor. Remember to always believe in yourself, and you will always succeed. Enjoy the video.
Gas, undercarriage, mixture, prop, seatbelts, okay.
Mixture 2-3, only 10 left, clear for the option.
10 left, clear for the option, mixture 2-3.
We'll get it rolling. So once we have momentum, we'll advance the throttle. Okay, we'll lift the tail up. Once we find that spot, we'll just hold the nose there. It takes less and less and less pressure to do that.
5314 Mike, frequency change approved.
Hold down elevator. Down elevator.
Good, this is sync up to you, 5314 Mike.
Okay. Now don't move the rudder pedals. That's it, try not to move the rudder pedals. That's okay. Whoa, I got it. You're playing. All you. Alright, all you. Okay, back at you. It's yours. Damn. It said anticipation.
30 Victor, your number 2, following the Cessna, heading to your right, that down at 800 feet, runway 10 right, clear to land.
Clear to land, 10 right, number 2. Traffic in sight, 30 Victor. Seriously, I thought, I'm like, oh, this is good, I got this. And then all of a sudden, bloop. Yep. Again, the airplane doesn't respond immediately, okay? So what you need to do is you need to put in your control input and then take it out before the airplane responds. If you wait for the airplane to respond before taking your foot off of the pedal, it's going to be too late. Okay, that was the conversation of channel, but attentive, and try to anticipate. Can we get a wind check, please?
Current wind 3405.
Alright. Yeah, I thought it was coming from a little bit from the left. Still a little high. There you go. 1200 RPMs. Throttle back just a smidge. There you go. Plant it. That's it. Throttle back. Oh. Throttle back. There you go. Your controls. Shoot. It's your airplane.
That was an absolute train wreck, folks.
Northbury Tower 2, Foxtrot, hold short, 10 right.
Look at this guy.
Ready to go, depart west.
See, he's trying to make me feel good.
Hold short,
He's just thankful I didn't kill him.
Hold short, 10 right, 273 Foxtrot.
Now this is where I earn my money.
Yeah, this is where you make sure we all get home.
Alright, let's switch over to ground.
Besides everything, what did I do wrong?
There's nothing wrong with it.
Okay, guys.
I tell you, when the rollouts when this thing gets squirrely, because you don't have a whole lot of air going over the tail, keeping you straight.
Number 2430 Victor, make right traffic for runway 1 right, runway 1 left, clear for takeoff.
Nope. If you take off 1 left, 30 Victor, then right traffic for 1 right. Okay. My airplane? Your airplane. Alright, so we're going to get us pointed down the runway. Right, get a little bit of forward momentum in the right direction, that way I don't really have to hit the rudder. Okay,
Yep.
Full down elevator.
Yep.
Alright, here we go. We'll advance the throttle. Now feel the rudder, okay? You can feel me hardly moving it. Okay? Just a little squeeze. There we go. Now I'm just going to hold the nose here. As we accelerate, it takes less elevator, less elevator, less elevator. Okay? I'm off the stick at this point. See that? Okay, and a little bit of back pressure.
Runway 1 right, for touch and go.
And away we go.
3 position go runway 1 right, 560.
Okay. Your airplane. My airplane. Let's see, 340 out of there. Let's slip it. That's the best part of this airplane. There you go, all the way to the floor. All the way to the floor. That's it. Get that wing down. There you go.
Next runway 10 right for the wing.
Down is just never a problem. Here you go. Now you can get yourself set up. All right. Get back up to your 1200 RPM.
Runway 10 right.
There you go. Right there. Beautiful.
One right.
And let it come down.
Number 2, 1 right.
Let it come down. There you go. And now start tickling the horizon. There you go. That's it. And back on the power. That's it. And
Tango, Perry
that's it. A
Tower,
little right. See that? You feel me pushing a little bit? There you go. Okay. Brakes. And we'll make a left-hand turn. So on that last takeoff, I was just squeezing the rudder a little bit. Not so much in anticipation, but more in response and reaction to just very small changes in heading. You're never going to be able to, just bomb straight down the runway without any corrections. But the corrections are very, very small, and you have to make those small corrections before the airplane starts to get away from you. Get away from you, exactly. So when you see small variations, give it small and short inputs. Okay, so we don't lean on the rudder
current inspiration November,
and hold it there for an extended period of time. Generally, you put in your control input and then you ease back off. So you'll hear some people describe it as tap dancing on the rudder pedal, because you're on and off and on and off, you're tapping on it.
002.
Alright, so what did I do on the landing that got me?
Nothing. You actually, you got a little bounce out of it because you didn't pull back on the stick to plant it.
To plant.
Right. Once those wheels touch the ground, you got to pull back the stick to plant it.
I didn't pull back hard enough, or far enough, or
yep. Full up elevator.
Yeah.
Full up elevator. Yeah, a lot of it is timing.
Yeah.
You'll see that with the wheel landing. Your timing is off. They get ugly. All right. Looking good. Beautiful. That's it, nice and easy now, smooth. That's it, tickle the horizon. Tickle the horizon, that's it. And chop the throttle. Pull up elevator.
For 66174, make
There you
right
go.
traffic,
And
runway
now
1 right.
off that left. Right, see, now I'm going to go to right and I'm off. Right, a little bit of left and I'm off. Right, and I'm off. And as the airplane gets slower, you can see I give it a little bit more input. All right, we'll turn right here on Echo 2.
Yeah, I'm definitely hitting the brake. I don't want to, but it seems like I'm tapping it. Oh, what's the matter? You don't like that?
Curl your toes to your nose. Okay, that'll keep you from inadvertently hitting the brake.
What would inadvertently stop me from impaling my instructor?
My logbook.
Logbooks are very sharp on the corners.
And so are elbows.
And so are elbows, and once in a while, wittiness is sharp too, but
Not out of me.
so this might be a good time, folks, to check out the video right here in the upper left-hand corner. Episode 1, The Lost Treasure.
Did we find it?
Nope, we still have not found our way yet.
It's still lost.
If you've seen these takeoff and landings I've done so far, I'm lost.
It's just the blind leading the blind, that's all.
So I don't know if you guys can see out the camera here, but we got a little seaplane action going. That's going to be our next rating.
431 Echo Sierra, make right traffic, runway
That's definitely a notch in my lipstick case that I'm going to be looking for.
We'll knock that out together. That'll be kind of
Absolutely.
fun.
Do a little male bonding.
I don't know about that. I'm more interested in the seaplane rating, to be honest with you.
And if you're standing on the sidelines wondering why, what's the worst thing that could happen if you tried? Well, you might fall, but then again, you might learn to fly.
All right, so today's pretty special, dude.
Yep.
Yep, you're gonna fly in the 140. Jason's taking you up right now, and Mom and I are gonna follow behind and capture all the fun from the air. What's that sound like?
He didn't even tell me about this. Like,
It's a pure surprise, and you're gonna enjoy it. Okay.
yeah.
All right, so we're gonna get you all wired up, get the cameras rolling. You're gonna be wearing the Bose headset today, and we're gonna have a really good time. All right, bud?
Yeah.
Let's do it. All right, if you thought I was just gonna get this Tailwheel endorsement without including you, no, my friend. All right, let's do this.
The sky has opened up. We start our engines, countdown from 10. Kiss the sun goodnight and go where no one goes. Yeah, 'cause we're chasing desires up above the city lights. Yeah, we're burning like fire now. 'Cause we're walking on air, walking on air, feeling high over the surface. Walking on air, yeah, we're walking on air, walking on air, going way beyond the horizon. Walking on air, ain't never coming down. Oh 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 yeah yeah oh 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 oh. Ain't never coming down. Oh 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 walking on air. They won't reach us. No, they can't touch us. Ain't never coming down. They won't reach us. No, no, no. They can't touch us. Walking on air.
So how was it, Devin?
I flew most of the flight. Jason just did the takeoffs and, landings.
You had fun?
Yeah, definitely.
Awesome.
First we're in formation, right? So we had, I believe you were on our left side, about 200 feet across. That breakaway, crazy.
Helicopter 770, Charlie Quebec, put the city inbound. City of inbound for you, Charlie Quebec.
Very nice job.
6, Federation point.
Excellent, you're good. Oh, just ride it out, relax. There you go, get that nose tickle. That's it. Perfect, right there. Right there.
Number 3, 1 Echo Sierra, runway 10 right, Corey touch and go, make that traffic. Number 2, you're following traffic, about to cross University Health back here.
Okay, you don't bleed off. Go ahead, start walking that throttle back.
So the 6564,
Walk the throttle back.
10 right, line of traffic.
Coming back. There you go. Less power.
552 break, you number 2, you're following a stroke, I'm on a quarter right.
Hold it right there. Hold it. Nice job.
Hold it, ring, I'll find my 10 right. Roger.
That birds. Yeah, bird.
170 Mike, continue on your westbound heading. Contact my
There you
first
go.
on 128.6 there,
And now walk the throttle back a little bit. A bit more. A bit more. There you go. Look at that. Man, pull up elevator. Good. There you go. Nice job. I got your flaps.
Helicopter 9 Mike, continue northbound, report Gulfstream racetrack.
We're Gulfstream 9 Mike. Come on, Jay. Come on. You got it. I think you're getting the takeoffs.
not bad. Challenging conditions today.
30 Victor, make left traffic runway 10 left.
Left traffic for 10 left, 30 Victor. Oh God, it's blowing me. I know. So let it come down a little bit. There you go. Oh, that was sweet. Sweet. More aileron. Force it. Yep.
Wind check, wind 070 at 17, gusting 27.
Okay. A little more throttle. I want to see a little more airspeed. There you go. That's it. Point us down. There you go. That's it. Okay. Now start walking the throttle back a little bit. That's it.
Hold in position.
Just fly really low. That nose pointed down the runway. Jeez. If you don't feel it, we can go around. I don't care.
Direction fine.
Okay. That's it. Throttle back a little bit.
Say again, do you need my sign?
That's it.
No,
I need to be a little lower. There you go. No, don't push. That's it. Right there. Up. And that's the proverbial bounce. There you go.
One golf, hold short, only 10 left.
Okay, I got your flaps. Yeah, that was a complete setup.
No, you're not clear for anything, son.
You did that on purpose.
I said hold short of only 10 left.
You mean on purpose? Yes. On purpose. Your airplane. I got it. That's it. Throttle back. More. There you go, right there. Let it come down a little bit. All right, look at the end of the runway. That's it. That's it. Here it comes. And push. There you go. Oh, a little too much. A little too much. Oh, man. Oh, yeah. Just a little. We'll make the next one a full stop. That was nice. That was nice. You almost had it. Remember I said, if you push a little too hard or a little too early, right? It's just going to drive you into the ground. Yeah. That rain is cooking. Watching it move. Those of you not familiar with the Florida weather patterns, when they say that there's a 30% chance of rain, it actually means that it's a 100% chance of rain, just a 30% chance that it's going to rain on you. Okay, so vertical speed is a critical element. Okay, we want almost none. Almost none. Come on, where are you? There it is. Okay, and a little push. All right. Yeah. We'll taxi it off. Come on, I'm gonna let out some fun too. And down she goes.